Bro, what the heck is aim assist? Your aim assist is just locking my head. My aim assist is doing absolutely nothing. Yeah, lady. 110 to the head?
Bruh.
Wasn't even trying to kill you, pussy.
Dummy shit.
I swear I died because I hit you for low damage again. Like, I hit you 5 times in the head. This game is honestly garbage. Oh my god, of course I get third party. Bro! 70 to the head. Yeah, this game sucks. And you're just spraying with the AR, like, drop your AR, use your shotgun. God, I'm not even trying to fight you, bot. Why is everyone trying to kill me? Like, I'm trying to fight one person, not 10 different people. Like, y'all suck. What are you doing? I'm standing still and you miss? What are you doing with your life? Yo, horror skin, leave me alone. That's why you won't 1v1 me. Freaking pussy. Why you hiding? Why you running away, bro? Why you Bro, if I get triple team one more time, like, y'all suck. Yeah, you suck. Bro, stop just spraying your AR! Actually use your gun! You suck! God, this kid's annoying, bro. Actually use your shotgun. Literally, every single person here is using their shotgun except for you. Like, everyone in this whole lobby is better than you.
Bruh.
Like 20 to the head, like.
I like it, cut G.
Bro, your aim assist,
Look at this
bro.
dude.
It's like aimbot, my guy.